Hey everyone, welcome to today's Explainer. I'm so excited to share this one with you. In a world where financial strategies and side hustles are usually buried in like hundreds of pages of complex jargon, today's material totally strips away all that noise. It's what I like to call a minimalist manifesto for alternative income. It's incredibly brief, it's straightforward, and it strips the whole concept of lifestyle design right down to its bare essentials. So get ready, because your perspective on income generation is about to get completely simplified.
I want you to just absorb this quote directly from our source material. Cook meals at home and earn money. Let the refreshing simplicity of that statement sink in for just a second. In just 7 words, the source provides this complete, self-contained blueprint for financial gain. There are literally no caveats, no asterisks. It's just a straightforward declaration of cause and effect that totally bypasses the usual complexities we've all come to expect when we talk about economics. Okay, let's dive into this and deconstruct this premise into its 2 foundational pillars. On one side, we have the primary input, the required behavior, cook meals at home. And then on the other side, we have the corresponding output, the reward, earn money. It's honestly this elegant equation of human effort translating directly into financial resources. By separating these 2 phrases, we can really begin to appreciate the sheer clarity of this binary system. So let's isolate that very first part of the equation, cook meals. Notice how our source doesn't tell us to, conceptualize food or read about food or simply procure food. It uses the active verb cook. This focuses entirely on the action of culinary effort. It's treating the act of preparing food not just as some daily chore, but as an absolutely critical first step in this lifestyle framework. It demands physical engagement, right? It requires you to actually take raw ingredients and transform them through your own labor. This active creation is basically the non-negotiable engine that drives the entire philosophy we're analyzing today. And then, notice the spatial constraint placed on that action. At home, the source text doesn't suggest renting out a massive commercial kitchen or opening a brick-and-mortar restaurant. It completely bypasses all that traditional overhead. Think about the efficiency of that for a second. This approach requires absolutely zero commute. There are no external facilities to manage or worry about. Your own living space, your personal kitchen, is instantly transformed into your headquarters. It totally democratizes the process, making it accessible instantly from the very place you already live. How cool is that? And this brilliantly illustrates the chronological breakdown of the source, revealing a highly straightforward 2-part procedure. Step 1, cook meals at home. Step 2, earn money. That's it. That is the entire operational pipeline. The source leaves absolutely no room for confusion, no middleman, and definitely no convoluted intermediate phases. It is just delightfully linear. You execute step 1, and it leads you directly to step 2. Now, let's shift our focus over to the reward phase and see how this builds into the second half of the framework. Pay close attention to the word earn. This is so important because it isn't passive. It implies a direct compensation for the energy you expended in step 1. The source unapologetically connects the initial culinary action right to the ultimate result. It validates the home cooking process by basically elevating it from a simple domestic task to an actively compensated endeavor. So the crucial point is this final word, money, delivered with striking clarity. The source doesn't promise abstract rewards like satisfaction or good health or, a warm feeling. While those might definitely exist, the text zeroes right in on the core tangible objective promised by the framework: capital, currency, financial reward. The directness here is just unmistakable. It really hammers home exactly what the end goal of this entire approach truly is. Bringing these 2 halves back together into a conceptual loop really reinforces the overarching theory provided by our source. It is, at its absolute core, a minimalist philosophy, connecting domestic culinary action with financial reward. It takes the deeply personal space of the home kitchen and bridges it directly to the economy. This cycle highlights just how elegantly simple this home culinary income generation strategy actually is when you view it as a complete, unified system. Now, to ensure absolute retention of everything we've unpacked today, though, let's be honest, it shouldn't be too hard given the brevity. Let's quickly summarize our findings. First, the action and location: cook meals at home. Second, the direct outcome: earn money. And that is the totality of the text. No matter how deeply you look at the structure, the wisdom of the source always distills perfectly back down to these 2 inescapable, inextricably linked points. Which brings us to the ultimate question derived from our explainer today. The source has provided the map, right?
It has laid out the minimalist framework in plain sight. So, what does this all mean for you? Are you ready to cook at home and earn? I really want you to internalize this idea. Look at your kitchen, look at your financial goals, and ask yourself how this stunningly simple framework applies to your own next steps. Thank you so much for joining me as we unpacked this super fun and fascinating material today. Keep learning, keep analyzing, and I'll see you in the next explainer.